Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what ADA is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, as always, so we completed this pattern, this original pattern, double bottom right here. So from, when was it? From 19, you had this double bottom, this started forming. The neckline was the 0.072, and target was about 12 cents, which is completed. Now, if you look at the even bigger picture, this is why I like daily charts, because you can see this kind of stuff. Here's another double bottom that formed. Your neckline was this 23% retracement, so about 11 cents. And then your new target is the 50% retracement, so about 21 cents. So this is pretty good. Now, even though we had this choppiness, I'm still not concerned with this pair. Why am I not concerned? Because Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin. So I am not concerned that we're going to see some massive pullback all the way to 6 cents. At least as of right now, price action is not telling us. So until price action tells us otherwise, there's no need for you to be. I mean, you might want you want to start thinking on longer term, but it's nothing for you to be like tripping about. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to reach out 7 billion people, and we're going to help them, trade the crypto market. So just remember, if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So, excuse me, guys. That being said, I think we're going to, excuse me, we might see, a little bit of a bigger pullback. I mean, RSI looks like that we're probably going to see a little bit of a bigger pullback. And then if you get a little bit of a bigger pullback all the way to the neckline, I mean, that's okay, because we're probably going to be flirting with the 20-day moving average. I mean, the 200-day moving average is all the way down close, a little below 6 cents. So we're definitely not going over there, at least as of right now. So there's not much that I'll be too concerned. Now, if Bitcoin goes and outperforms Ethereum, and then I will be concerned. But until that happens, nothing to be worried about. Because if we wait for a little bit of an better entry point, if we wait at about there, stop loss right below the previous low, and then, I mean, even if you go halfway through the target, risk to reward, if you wait for a little bit better entry point, is 8.2, which is great. No, 8.4, sorry. 8.4, which is amazing. If this completes the whole pattern, now you're 15.6. So I mean, it can't get any better than that. I mean, stocks usually doesn't offer this kind of risk to reward. That's why I'm not in stocks, bonds, anything. That's why I like crypto. If you were to enter here at the current price point, then risk to reward will change a little bit. Well, even if you enter here, I mean, it's decent risk to reward. I feel like you have a little bit more of a pullback before I would enter, so I think I would wait, even though risk to reward is really good. And I would wait because, I mean, we're not in the middle, but I feel like we're probably just gonna retest the neckline. That's what it looks like, and especially that's what RSI is telling me. And then once we retest the previous low, and then we're talking. I mean, if you look at this longer term, we definitely have some wiggle room to move, and move hard. I mean, this at peak was 140. So, and if that was the case, if this turns out like 140, and then we're all gonna make some shackles, how I like to call them. So longer term, yes, I felt like this is pretty bullish. Ultimately, if we retest the previous low, so the 23% retracement, so about 11 cents, right now. So if we just go slower, retest the 16 cent, pull back about halfway through, so at about where we are right now, about 13 cents, and then push higher to the 50, so the 21 cent level, pull back, and then that's how I kind of want to see this materializing. If we have some massive breakdown, I mean, you gotta be scared if we break below the 23% retracement or 11 cents. I mean, if we break below that, that's something to be concerned, because now, look, you're just gonna lose all your money. I mean, unless you hold forever, but there's no point for you to hold forever, because then what? I've never been a fan of that in the crypto market. Holding until it goes up again. What if it never goes up? Then you just have money tied up there for fun. So if we break below the 23% retracement, that's when we're gonna see some massive break, and we're probably gonna found a little bit of support at 9 cents, and then break all the way lower to 7 cents, and then by that point the 200-day moving average will be right at that level. So you're gonna have that hugging the 200-day moving average. Excuse me, guys. I don't see that happening, but that will be worst case scenario. Like I said, overall ADA is very, very bullish, so I'm not too concerned on anything when it comes to this pair. So like I said, I will wait for a little bit better risk to reward. And like I said, guys, if you guys you want to leave down in the comment below how often you guys want to see the video, that way we can post it. We try to post it as often as we can. In our private chat, we're posting every day, risk to reward and everything every day. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.